Let's have a look at some typical life events. In a normal life, first of all, you are born. The next big occasion is when you go to school. If you study hard, you may win a prize or two. Before you finish school, you may get your driving license. And after you have finished school, you may go to university and graduate. Then you start work and maybe fall in love. Possibly you then get married and have children. Eventually you retire and finally die. Let's look at Jonathan. He was born in Liverpool 26 years ago. He went to school near his home. He has lived in Liverpool all his life. Jonathan went to university at 18 and has already graduated. Oh, and he has already got his driving license. He got a job in a local bank and he has worked there for 2 years now. Is he married? No, he hasn't got married yet. Has he fallen in love yet? Maybe, but he is still looking for the right girl and wants to get married and have children before he is 30. His mother has just retired and has come to live near Jonathan, but his father sadly died last year.